50% off today, Fletch.
Yeah.
Thanks for joining us. Let's see what we find. All right, I'm gonna go out here in the garage first. It's beautiful out. 60 degrees in November the 15th. Wow. Excuse me. Thank you.
I have 3 kitties.
Hi.
Hello.
I've bought dog crates before, but I'm not gonna get one this time of year. Nope. Golf club. Callaway. Great Big Bertha. That's so big. These things actually sell? $10. It's gonna be $5. And it's a 9-degree driver. Nah, I can't pay $5. It'll bring 20 some bucks. By the time you ship it, there's not enough money there on that one. But if you find those in like a 7 wood or a 9 wood, they're awesome sellers. I can use that for $5. Yeah. I need another cord. One of mine I had to throw away. I'll take them.
I lost one.
Oh, you did?
somewhere.
You know what?
They're all by the.
I'll just take my shoes off.
I'll buy it for you. You don't want it?
No.
Do you like this lamp?
No.
It's only $20.
Ain't nothing I want now.
Sold a lot of Fiesta wear, I bet.
Yes.
Looked like there was a lot of it in the pictures.
A lot.
It's cool stuff.
It is.
I just sold a bunch of it on eBay.
Oh, you did?
Yeah, I got a really good buy on it at a thrift store, so it worked out.
That's always a bonus, isn't it?
Oh yeah, it's $1.99 a piece. The big plates, I had 12 of those. Yeah, dishes, like those dishes
did you
there.
Quadruple or
Oh, easily.
quintuplet
Yes,
your
yes, yeah.
price? Oh my
Yeah.
God. Yeah. Wow, that is awesome.
So that was cool.
Very cool. All right, I gotta find. I need more wrapping paper, but I just found it.
I wonder if that thing's really old, or I don't think it is.
Yeah, it's 50% off.
I know, vintage style candlestick. I gotta look it up on eBay. Yeah, that's what they call it. What is it, Leslie? Nope, she's gone. And there's one for $47.65. Let's take a look at what's sold. No, no money in reselling it. I don't need it for our house. I'm going to the basement. What a unique house. Oh, That stairway would be tough to move any furniture up and down.
Didn't you want to get the Willa? Heck no, it can sit here. Yeah. I'm not bringing the Annabelle 2.0.
Suitcase. I'm out.
Is it cancer? Cancer beer. Really? So is that there? Oh, wow.
Looks like a comfortable mattress. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks.
Excuse me.
Sure. He's gone.
I'm sorry.
Sure. I don't know why I'm looking at ties. I don't like listing them and selling them, so I'm gonna quit.
Great, thank you.
I don't know where my girl is. There she is. What'd you find, Fletch? Nothing.
Nothing,
Nothing, honey?
just books up here.
The Natural Water Garden.
There's a glass book in there. I don't know what
A what?
it's glass.
Oh, okay.
Probably, I don't know. What, about everything's gone, but
I know.
I'm sure
Yeah.
come here and question it.
Nah. I got a $5.
Oh, good.
I need it when I threw that one away.
Right?
Strange house. Or not strange, but just different. Just layout, floor plan. I'm not looking at all those. There's no money in them. All right.
Well, normally I would like do that myself, but it's almost a little bit like. Thank you so much for doing that for me.
I just took my shoes off. I came in this door. They said don't come in this way, but you know what? Can't always follow the rules.
No.
Yeah, what we got here? I've sold tennis rackets in the past. Some of them are worth some money. This looks like a good racket. don't know anything about them. Prince International.
Think I still work in Laredo?
Prince International.
See this on
Market. Leslie found the coming attraction. Is it for sale still? It's probably hold. Oh, heck yeah.
see if it all works.
For $15?
Yeah.
Good eyes, Fletch. Yep. I can't believe this is still here.
How are the tires?
They're flat, but that's all right.
Holy wind today.
That's $120 cart of spring. Put that up in the rafters. Oh, it is? Gotcha. Well, I didn't know. I didn't look around. Leslie, that is a great find.
You're helping, thank you.
$15.
Yeah?
Whew.
Hope it doesn't need new tires.
No, every one I bought, the tires are flat.
Oh, I know.
Yeah.
They go flat.
Have a good day, guys. You too, thank you. I am disappointed you're not making it.
Close bits.
You keep two for yourself.
I just resell everything.
Have a good day.
I'm gonna keep a couple for the baby.
Oh, there you go. Almost. Hi, how are you?
Good.
And then what do we have on that?
$30 on this,
Okay.
so 15, so
Yeah.
20 bucks.
Yeah, let me. $20.
Thank
How
you.
much? Do you need a receipt?
Nah.
Thanks, guys. Have a good day. Thank you.
Boy, that made it worth the drive. Speed car. I walked right by it. I went right in there. You did good. Leslie's bragging.
Being in the garage and I went,
Yeah. Eagle eyes. These are high quality carts. Cha-ching.